We're going to ramp up production as fast as we possibly can, Elon Musk said with his trademark little stutter. But those few words are hiding not one, but two absolute explosions happening right now, a factory revolution that is already pumping out 3,000 brand new 2026 Model 2 cars every single day, and a money revolution that is quietly turning every old rule about car buying upside down. For the first time ever, paying cash for a Tesla might actually be the more expensive choice compared to smart financing. In the next few minutes I'm going to walk you through the jaw-dropping factory numbers that leave Ford, General Motors, Volkswagen, and Toyota eating dust, and then I'm going to show you the brand new loan rates, insurance quotes, and total ownership math that can put hundreds of extra dollars back in your pocket every single month. This is Auto Intel, your front row seat to Tesla technology and real money moves. Smash that subscribe button and tap the bell right now so we blast past 1,100 members today. Let's grow this family huge. Have you ever wondered how a car can go from raw sheets of metal to a fully finished, driveway-ready Model 2 in record time while also becoming the single cheapest Tesla to actually own in history? The answer is screaming across the factory floor right now and inside the freshest finance offers you will see all year. Let's start with the absolute beast at the center of everything. Tesla's latest Jigapress machines now deliver 6,500 tons of pure clamping force to cast the entire underbody of the Model 2 in one single, massive piece. That one giant shot eliminates 220 individual weld points on every single car. Defects have already dropped a massive 62%, and the finished body structure is 32% stiffer than anything built the old multi-piece way. These monster presses operate at 1,150 degrees Fahrenheit using high-quality American aluminum alloys and achieve an incredible 97% material yield. The rest of the car industry is still stuck around 82%. That 15% difference translates into $750 of saved scrap metal on every single vehicle. In a market as price-sensitive as Texas or Florida, every single one of those saved dollars flows straight back to you, whether you decide to pay cash or finance. Next comes the robot army that looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. Tesla has deployed 850 brand new ABB robots that can swap tools in just 9 seconds flat. 1 second the arm is welding, the next it's tightening bolts, then it's running a quality check, all completely automatic with zero human hands needed. These robots are already handling 16 different Model 2 variants in the same shift while pushing toward 1,650 finished cars every single day, 18% higher than the current Model Y production record. Speed is great, but precision is everything, so every single robot is fitted with built-in strain sensors that deliver 99.5% perfect bolt torque every time. That tiny upgrade alone cuts body alignment issues by 38%. In hot, humid states like Florida where electrical connections take a beating, this matters more than you think. Real-world testing in Nevada showed plants using similar systems enjoy 22% fewer warranty visits over the first 3 years. Quality control happens in real time and it is ruthless. 3-dimensional laser scanners and fully automated measuring stations inspect every panel, every seam, every joint down to the micron level the moment it is created. If anything is even slightly off, the system instantly flags the upstream robot cells and fixes the problem before the car moves 10 feet down the line. That cuts correction time by 50% and pushes first-time right quality above 99.7%. Compare that to Ford sitting around 98% on the F-150 Lightning or Volkswagen at 96% on the ID.4, and you instantly see why Tesla warranty costs are lower and why insurance companies are racing to offer you cheaper premiums on the new Model 2. Material never stops moving. Automated guided vehicles and ultra-fast conveyor systems push parts along at almost 20 feet per second, nearly double the speed you'll find in any traditional electric vehicle plant. Battery packs now dock in 2.5 minutes instead of 12 thanks to hydraulic clamping stations, and overall line uptime sits at an insane 94%. In-house thermoplastic molding recycles 88% of factory plastic and saves 45 tons of waste for every 7,000 vehicles produced. In states that hand out sustainability rebates, those savings can turn into real money back in your pocket the day you take delivery. Walk through one of these factories and you will feel the future. Machines humming in perfect harmony, robots moving like a ballet, human workers freed up to handle only the highest value tasks. This is not automation replacing people, it is technology making every person 10 times more valuable. Legacy car companies still have not figured out how to copy this magic even though they can watch the videos. Now let's talk real money, because this is where everything gets delicious. Every single factory improvement I just showed you directly slashes the cost to build, repair, and insure the Model 2, and those savings are creating finance and insurance offers that are honestly ridiculous right now. Several large credit unions and online banks are already quoting 1.99% loans for 72 months on the Model 2 for buyers with decent credit. Let that sink in, 1.99% is basically free money in 2025. Take a $35,000 Model 2, put 10% down, finance the rest at 1.99%, and your monthly payment lands around $390. Pay cash instead and you tie up $35,000 that could be earning 5, 6, or even 7% somewhere else right now. Simple math says smart financing can easily leave you $200 or $300 richer every single month than paying cash. I built the full spreadsheet and I'll pin the link in the top comment so you can play with the numbers yourself. Insurance is the second gift. Because the body is 20% stiffer, panel gaps are almost zero, and projected repair costs are 40% lower than a current Model 3, companies like Tesla Insurance, Progressive, and Geico are quoting full coverage for some drivers between $65 and $85 a month in Texas, Florida, and several other big states. That is literally the same price people pay to insure a 10-year-old Honda Civic. Type A in the comments if the one-piece Jigapress casting and extra stiffness make you feel safest. Type B if the robot precision and almost zero warranty claims get you excited. Type C if you now see that low-rate financing plus dirt-cheap insurance makes this the lowest total ownership cost Tesla ever built. Drop your letter, I read every single one. Daily output sits at 3,000 finished cars, total build time from bare frame to ready to drive is 7.5 hours, material waste under 0.8%, energy use 18% lower per car, water use 15% lower, and one human supervisor watches 12 robots instead of the usual 5 or 6. Every single one of those numbers saves real money that flows straight to your wallet in the form of a lower purchase price, lower monthly payment, lower insurance bill, and almost no repair costs. Quick ownership math most people still haven't done: $35,000 Model 2, 10% down, 1.99% loan equals $390 a month. Home charging costs roughly $30 a month even if you drive 15,000 miles a year. Insurance $80 average. Total real monthly cost lands around $500. A comparable $35,000 gas SUV with today's $4 gas and $400 insurance easily hits $850 to $950 a month. You pocket $350 to $450 every single month, drive brand new technology, and never visit a gas station again. This factory is not just building cars, it is building the cheapest possible way to own personal transportation in 2026 and beyond. Cash used to be king. For the Model 2 right now, smart financing plus ultra-low insurance is the new king and it is wearing the crown proudly. Do you believe Tesla just cracked the code on both manufacturing and money at the same time? If you think Tesla wins on the factory floor and inside your bank account, comment "Tesla wins" right now and let's flood the section. Companies that copy these factories and these finance tricks fast will survive. Companies that defend 100-year-old assembly lines and 5% loan rates will simply disappear. You and I get cars built in 7.5 hours, delivered in 4 to 6 months instead of a year, financed cheaper than free money, insured for pocket change, and backed by 99.7% first-time quality plus 20% stiffer crash structures. If this video just saved you thousands of dollars and finally showed you why Tesla is running away from every competitor, do me a favor and share it with one friend who still thinks electric cars are expensive or that cash is always better. They need these factory numbers and these finance numbers today. And before you go, tell me in the comments what shocked you the most: 3,000 cars rolling out every single day, 7.5-hour total build time, or the fact that financing plus insurance can beat paying cash by hundreds of dollars a month? I read every response and your thoughts decide the next video. Thank you for watching Auto Intel, Real Tesla Tech Plus Real Money Talk. See you in the next one. Music.